Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The question is, how many gallons of distilled water must be mixed with 50 gallons of 30% alcohol solution to obtain a 25% solution? Could you figure out the solution? Just think about it for some few minutes. So from here, the question is talking about distilled water. What does distilled water mean? It means that it does not have any alcohol in it, right? So now we can represent X by the gallons of distilled water, and we know that the percentage of alcohol in distilled water is 0%, right? So from there, we can be able to deduce an equation for this. Then from there, we should be able to solve how many gallons of distilled water the solution contains, right? So from here, as I said, X can represent the gallons of distilled water, and we can also represent the 50 gallons of distilled water by this, also the 50 gallons of solution by this. Then from there, the total amount, that is the distilled water and the alcohol percentage, we can represent it by this beaker. Now we know that the gallons of distilled water is X, and the percentage of the alcohol is 50 gallons. So from here, this one is before mixing and after mixing. So we can say that before mixing we have X and 50. After mixing, we are going to get F plus 50 gallons. Okay. Now, before mixing, the alcohol percentage in distilled water is 0%, as we already know. Then we have 30% of alcohol solution. Then after mixing, the question said that it's 25% alcohol solution. So now we should be able to find X. We multiply the percentage of the solution by the gallons, percentage of the 30% alcohol solution by the 50 gallons. Then we equate it to this one afterward mixing. So it will be 25% alcohol solution multiplied by this X plus 50 gallons. So we establish this equation. So we can write 0x into bracket 0 plus 0.3, which is what 30% of alcohol solution, which is 0.3, times the 50 gallons, which should be equal to 25%, which is the same as 0.25 into bracket X plus 50 gallons. So from here, this one will tend to 0. Then we are going to get 15 is equal to 0.25x plus 12.5. So from here, we are going to rearrange the equation. We are going to get 0.25x is equal to 50 minus 12.5. So from here, we can calculate X to what? 10 gallons. So it will take 10 gallons of distilled water to mix with 30% of alcohol solution to get 25% of alcohol solution. That is the answer. I hope you got it correct, and always you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye for now.